featuring Todd Galbraith by Maverick City Music.
Good morning. Hi. Hey girl, hey. Welcome back to my channel. It's another vlog. Early did my Bible study, which I kind of showed you a little bit. Today I have to work, but I wanted to open the vlog because I plan on doing some stuff today. I don't know if I'm going to I don't know where this is gonna go because I'm thinking of doing a VLOGMAS. So I might do some Christmas decorating today. I need to pick up some stuff, but I don't know. We might do like a hangout with me at home type of thing and catch up because I've recorded sporadically and I don't know if I've caught you up with everything. My birthday passed. I didn't show all of the stuff I got for my birthday. Maybe I'll do that today. I don't know what this vlog is gonna entail, but I just wanted to come to the camera and actually speak before my morning got ahead of me and I didn't continue doing what I did, what I was intended on doing. I got up this morning and like put on a little makeup, did my brows, put some mascara on. I'm loving this Better Than Sex mascara. It's in the chocolate. I got it at the during the Sephora sale, and I don't think I'm ever going to wear black mascara ever again. I like the way, why does it keep doing that? It's trying to read the words. Here we go. That's better. I like the way that the chocolate mascara looks. Excuse all this mess. I think I'm gonna go water my plants because I haven't watered them in a while, so it's a mess. Why is it doing this? It's trying to focus on everything beside me. Let me.
Bottle jet clips. Oh, somehow, so okay.
It's
All
like,
right, put the cleaner in there.
that's what it says?
No?
Okay.
That makes sense.
Yo.
You put stuff in there?
Okay. Can you tell by my face I'm drained? I'm drained. So you can hear the TV a little bit. Just gonna have to deal with that. I'll have to edit the sound so that you can hear me a little better. Boy, today drained me. So, it's 5:17. I just got finished working. Oh. It is what it is. Thank God I have a job. Okay, I mean I'm struggling, but you know, have to remain grateful. So I'm about to make something quick and easy to eat. Cleaning, because the house is a wreck. It's not a wreck, it's just like a little messy for me, being frantic and like trying to throw things at them while I'm working, because that's what happens. So I'm gonna make them something. My son wants mac and cheese. So a little sad because Anita Baker is in my area tonight, and I'm not going to go see her because I don't have a babysitter, and I'm very sad about that. So yeah, so here we are. So I'm gonna listen to Anita Baker and clean up and try to get in a better mood because I am not happy at all.
Well, it's making it better. This is making it better.
Making what better?
Like,
There's nothing wrong with your nuts. Oh, from before, yeah. Miles likes his. He keeps chewing on it. You want me to push it up for you, Miles?
I want you for your.
Okay.
Oh, I can't leave for your.
Good job. Try not to let the stress affect your parenting. It's like probably the hardest job as a parent because all these outside things like impede on your like mood, and like these innocent little kids you're given, like you have to be joyous for them at all times. It's really hard, but it's worth it. So I try to be as very calm and collected because they have no idea the stress. They don't know, and they shouldn't know. They're kids. Anyway, so I'm gonna clean up, listen to some music. Alexa, play songs by Anita Baker. I'm so sad. I had a whole outfit picked and everything. I may just like throw the outfit on, put my hair up. My hair is a mess. It's almost time for another silk press. I did my own silk press. I did a really good job. I haven't straightened my hair myself in a very long time because it was so easy for me to been so easy this week just to pin curl it, put it down and look good. So what I did, because I did use that Color Wow Dream Coat, and it really did good. It really lasted long. Like my ends are still straight. My roots are a little puffy because I've been, you know, doing stuff. I was sweating putting that tree together, that's for sure. My Christmas tree, which I'm gonna show y'all in a second. But I'm gonna clean and come back, okay? impossible. 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 Alright. Take a little break and come back.
You got bigger.
It fell out. It will hang out. And that will hang out.
Take it out.